Hi everybody, welcome to the channel and welcome to a cleaning video through my airbrush. Now I've just picked up a ultrasonic cleaner, which is this one in the box here, so I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. We're going to plug this in, see how it works. I've used ultrasonic cleaners in the past for airbrushes and they work really well. You can put your pieces of your airbrush in these, leave them on a cycle and it cleans all the stubborn paint and things off your brushes. It's a nice way to soak your brushes after you've been airbrushing. So the one that I've just picked up, this was from Aldi. I've just got it, I've just been out shopping now, seen it, I thought, yeah, it's worth a punt. Now the reason why I picked this one up for the price, when I took it to the till, the lady gave me the receipt and she went, there's a 3-year warranty on that, so if it packs up, we've got 3 years warranty, guys, so I can just take it back. So for 20 quid, for 3 years of warranty, it's worth a punt. Now, as I say, I've had these in the past, I've had other cheap ones in the past. They've lasted and they're packed up in the end, but for a 3-year warranty for 20 quid, you can't go wrong. So we'll unbox it, see what it's like, and see how it works. So that's your receipt, so keep hold of your receipt if you get one of these from Aldi, because that's for your 3-year warranty. We'll put that to one side. Inside the box you get instructions on what to do. They're quite straightforward, guys, they really are. Take it out of the packaging. So it comes fairly packaged well. Get it in a little bag. That's the front of the machine. You have a lift up lid like that. You get a little bit of something here. So you get a little tray that you can hold like that and you can drop that into the actual tank. The tanks on these are stainless steel, so you can put your cleaners in it. The cleaner that I'm going to be using is this one here called Clean Spirit. It's not recommended for this, but this is a brush general purpose cleaner, water-based, for water-based paints and things like that, environmentally friendly. So we're going to try this one in it, chuck that in there. You can buy the ultrasonic cleaners for jewellery and things like that. I have got some of that knocking around somewhere. I've just tried to look for it and I can't find it, but that would have been better because that's for metals, cleaning things like that. So to the front, you've got power, reset. You've got 4 settings on this. We'll just plug it in, see if it works. So as you can see there, that's come on. Now, they're the settings you've got. You've got 90-second cycle, or 180, 280, 380 and a 480. And you'll basically put your cleaning solution in. You've got a max level on this as well, like that. And that's the machine on, guys. And basically what this does is it puts vibrations through the actual solution. So when you actually look at the cleaning solution now, you can see it, it's vibrating and moving. So just set your timers, and then that shows you it counts down. Job done, nice and easy. You can drop your airbrush pieces in here. So if we were stripping a brush down, I'm going to make some kind of holder where you could hold the brush and just place it in, but we'll just take some of the bits off this brush and drop these in the basket at the front, like so. You can drop the needle in, we can drop the cup in like that. We can take all this back piece out, drop the trigger in, and I'll make something so I can hold the brush up like this, but we'll try and balance that for now. Like that, drop it in, you turn it on and you can instantly see the water with the cleaning fluid changing colour, and it's lifting the paints off this. So it's a pretty cool bit of kit, guys. It works. It's nice that you can soak your brushes. Have a look for different cleaners. I'm going to try a lot of different airbrush cleaners and things like that in this. Absolutely fine. And you can just soak your brushes. I'll make like a little adapter so the brushes can be soaked like this, the bodies. But I think you should be okay just dropping the bodies in. Shouldn't be a problem. We'll just try that. We'll just drop the whole body in. Put that on cycle. And leave that running. So that is the ultrasonic cleaner. Nice thing to have for your airbrushes, guys. You can just strip them down, chuck them in the cleaner, give them a few turns with the cycle, pull them out, and it should clean these up rather well. Like I say, I've used ones in the past and they've worked fine. The cheaper ones do tend to give up the ghost after a while, but we'll see how this lasts, and it's got a 3-year warranty. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video on this unboxing of the ultrasonic cleaner. These are available from Aldi for 20 quid, guys. Great for a Christmas gift if you're thinking of someone in your family that needs an ultrasonic cleaner. They're really good for jewellery, watches. You can put glasses, get your glasses in there, it cleans them all up. Good little bit of kit to have on your shelf. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe, press that notification, and I'll see you lot in the next one. Cheers.